Hey guys, from today we'll be starting with PYQs of UPSC CSE paper Prelims. So the initiative starts like this. Every day 3 questions will be solving and I'll be giving the assignment. There will be separate assignment session as well I'm planning for. But meanwhile you can comment below so that you will learn on daily basis 3 different concepts and then you will be well prepared after 3-4 months for solving prelims paper so easily. Okay, we'll start with the first question. Consider the following statement. Jhelum River passes through Ular Lake. So they are talking about Jhelum and Ular Lake. Fine. Second, Krishna River directly feeds Kolleru. So they are talking about Kolleru and Krishna River. Then we have one is lake, one is river. Third is the meandering of Ghandak River formed Kanwar Lake. So Ghandak River and Kanwar Lake. Okay, here they are talking about river and lake. Where should it come? It should come in geography subject under drainage pattern chapter, right? Why I am saying is because I want you to go back to the lesson and again reread the lesson so that you'll understand in future what kind of question will be asked. Okay, fine. So it's from geography and drainage patterns. So here they're asking Jhelum River. Of course, Jhelum River, it is passing through Ular Lake. Jhelum River is in Jammu and Kashmir. And this is a tributary to Indus river system. So here you should learn Indus river system. And that's how we get to know Jhelum River passes to Ular Lake. So yeah, first option is right. If you see that, none is wrong, right? Then second is Krishna River directly feeds Kolleru Lake. When you read Krishna River, you won't read anything like it is feeding for some lake. Particularly Kolleru Lake is between Krishna and Godavari. Godavari and Krishna. It's a Kolleru. It's a freshwater lake. It is not getting feeded by this. So this will be wrong. So all three will be wrong. It should be only one or two. Now we'll see. Third one. Meandering of Gandak River formed Kanwar Lake. So Kanwar Lake is Oxbow Lake. It's in Bihar. Okay. Gandak Lake meandering is not forming. First of all, it's like Birhu Gandak is what they'll say. It's a Ganga river system tributary. So now you have to go through Ganga river system also. So from this question, this is also wrong. Kanwar Lake is first of all a Oxbow Lake. It is formed by Birhu Gandak river. Yes. So this is also wrong. So what did you learn from this question? You have learned the importance of drainage pattern. So drainage pattern is what they're expecting, and that Indus river system and Ganga river system is what they asked for. Okay, along with east flowing river systems, right? This Krishna river and Kolleru lake, they're focusing on here. So it's majorly drainage pattern. Fine. Second question we'll see. So consider the following port and well known as Kamarajar Port, first major port in India, registered as a company. Yes, this is the first major port. It's a major for first thing and it's registered as a company under Company Act. So this is correct. So second is, before saying correct, I'll see they are talking about port. Kamarajar Port and then Mundra Port and Vishakhapatnam Port. And they are talking Mundra Port, largest privately owned port in India. So whether it is privately owned, publicly owned, that is also their question. Largest container port and the specialty they are asking. So here the topic is port. Where we'll talk about port again in geography. So in India, we have both major and minor ports. So what are the major ports we should be able to locate and their specialty we should be able to know. And what are the minor ports? Who will operate minor ports and who will operate major ports? This is a topic we should learn and this is an assignment for you. So yeah, port from geography chapter. So Kamarajar Port, as I told, it's under Company Act. This is correct. So none will be wrong. Mundra Port is the largest privately owned port. It's a privately owned port and it's the largest. That is correct. It is owned by Adani Group. It is present in Kutch region, right, of Gujarat. So this is correct. Then it goes only one is wrong. Vishakhapatnam Port, largest container port. Actually, larger container port is JNPT, Jawaharlal Nehru Port or Navasheva Port. So that's why this is wrong. Now check for Vishakhapatnam Port uniqueness. With that, all three is also wrong. We left with option B. Understood, right? It's from geography, port topic. Next we have third question. Consider the following trees. They're talking about vegetation here. So when you talk about vegetation, either you should go with environment or geography. So now we'll see the option. Jackfruit, mahua, teak. So they're talking on natural vegetation here. And particularly see the question, which of these are deciduous trees? In natural vegetation topic of geography, we'll read about deciduous forest, evergreen forest, desert plants, etc. So from geography, natural vegetation is what we should be focusing on. Third topic. So now we'll see the question, which of them are deciduous? We know teak is deciduous, very common, so none is wrong. Then we have mahua, maybe it is kind of doubtful. We'll see jackfruit. Jackfruit is a well-known evergreen forest, so all three is wrong. So only 1 and 2, but mahua should be read. It is also deciduous forest tree. That's why we go with option 2. Here the topic is natural vegetation from geography subject. So 3 assignments will be given. 3 are also from geography. One is on drainage pattern, other thing is on port, the third one is natural vegetation. That's all for today. Thank you.